welcome to another unboxing video. For today we are going to unbox the Lookfantastic Beauty box for the month of December, which I even haven't pulled out from the shipping box. Okay, so this is how the box is looking. I love the outer packaging, it's really pretty. I need stop saying that. I think every second sentence I'm saying really pretty, so someone just stop me. When I'm editing, I'm starting to get annoyed of how much I'm saying really pretty. Okay, the box is gorgeous. At Christmas, all roads lead home. This is their code and it's wearing the hashtag LF Beauty box. We have the leaflet, which tells you everything about the products inside, and also it's like a mini magazine, so you can also get some information about the products that are on trend at the moment on Lookfantastic website. And you get, as every month, the Elle magazine. Now, before starting the actual unboxing, I just want to give you a quick load info about the Lookfantastic Beauty box. So Lookfantastic is a huge online retailer and they have a monthly beauty subscription which retails starting from £15 per month, and the cost of the actual box decreases if you opt for 3, 6 or 12 months subscription. I'm running currently a 12-month plan and I'm getting my box for £13 per month. They used to ship it free worldwide. However, I have checked now their website and I'm surprised to see that I'm charged also for shipping on Beauty box. So probably depending on the part of the world you are living, you might get free shipping or not. Because I have from March the subscription when it was with free shipping, I don't pay for shipping, and if I let it to be renewed, then I think I will benefit from the same free shipping, so I will not have the problem. I will see, I will let you know in that case. But anyway, even with shipping, I still love this box and I think it is my favorite so far. You do get a mix of beauty and skincare, hair care products. So the December is the Christmas edition. Merry Christmas from everyone at Lookfantastic Beauty box. We can't believe we've reached the end of the year and what a year it's been. We've curated 12 stunning monthly beauty boxes, not to mention some of our innovative limited edition beauty boxes. We've looked every minute of this year and can't wait to celebrate going out with a bang. Sharing our final design edition of the year with our spectacular December beauty box, containing 6 beauty products to help you get throughout the festive season and all those Christmas parties. Signed by Ellie from Elle magazine. The sneak peek for the month of January is the Eco King Moisturizing Serum 10 milliliters worth £21.50. So it's already paying the box and extra, including the shipping. Supercharged with a high content of hyaluronic acid, this moisturizing serum optimizes moisture level to leave skin perfectly hydrated without feeling greasy. The perfect antidote to dry skin. Layer this under a thicker moisturizer for a boost. So this is how the product for the next month will look like. And here on the back is written coming soon. Lookfantastic Christmas crackers. I think they are already on their website. I have seen them. And there is a code for subscriber to get £5 off. So everything is wrapped on pink paper. And I remember we were supposed to get an eyeshadow palette. And this is what we get inside. This is the sneak peek from last month. Sleek Makeup Eye Divine eyeshadow palette. Let me show you something. Okay, I thought it's the same palette, but actually the one that I have from ASOS is the Eye Divine All Night Long. The one that I was laughing about. but look how tiny it is comparing with the regular size one. Okay, so let's open it up. This is the packaging. Au Natural 601. Wow, they are really pretty. Starting again with really pretty. I'm not sure if I will swatch it. I might keep it for a present because I have too many neutral palettes. Sleek Eye Divine palette, Au Natural, or So Special, or Goodnight Sweetheart. Okay, so there are some variations. So I got the Au Natural, worth $8.99. Shade My Vary. Create an array of stunning natural and glamorous eye makeup looks with this palette from Sleek Makeup. Discover a collection of 12 shades suited for every skin tone to highlight, intensify and accentuate the eyes. How to use: blend across the eyelid, buffing shimmery shades across a matte base. Okay, so this is our first item. Next, there is this spray, Platinum Firm and Lift Cream, which retails for £9 and you get here 10 milliliters. Rediscover youthful looking skin with this with this spray, Platinum Firm and Lift Cream, a redefining facial moisturizer infused with firming platinum. Rich in antioxidants, this anti-aging moisturizer intensely hydrates skin whilst defending against free radicals. Skin looks smoother, younger and with fresher, firmer appearance. How to use: smooth into cleansed, toned skin twice daily. The consistency is whitish. So yeah, I'm excited about this cream. Next product is a pair of lashes by Allure. Ooh, Allure Texture 117 lashes, worth £506. Fall in love with this pair of texture strip lashes with a lightweight finish, perfect for day or night. Giving you an extra bit of length and thickness, these Allure lashes are ideal for any upcoming Christmas parties. Designed to be reusable, these lashes apply with ease for a fluttery finish. How to use: measure, trim, apply latex glue to band and place on lid. Easy to say, hard to do it. Okay, so show you again how they look like, and indeed they seems to be a bit longer. I don't have anything from Allure. I have two pair of lashes from Ico, not from Ico, from how they call Arden. And they are also coming with a tiny little glue. Next product is a product that I already got in Lookfantastic Black Box Edition, and I will also keep it for a present. So is the Ico London Travel Size Black Magic Liquid Liner. Designed for after hours allure, mid-hour darkness liquid eyeliner yet. Make, oh my god, I'm starting again to not be able to read. Make winged liner effortless with this smooth, fluid single stroke color that lasts all night. Wow! I cannot believe this is not an actual felt tip, but it's a brush tip. So I need this in my life because I just finished my brush liners and I was planning to get one. It's really nice, intense and black. Look how intense it is, guys. I'm really excited. I hope I will get some good use out of this. I was about to give it to a friend, but no, now I will keep it for me. Really excited to get a product that I was actually planning to buy. So I was really in need for a black liquid liner in my life. Really happy that Ico has came out with a brush tip version because I'm really big fan of their formula, just I was not big fan of the actual felt tip applicator. Okay, the next product is by Bumble and Bumble. Invisible Oil Heat UV Protective Primer, 30 ml, and retails for £5. Infused with Feather Light Oil, this Invisible Oil Primer is a lightweight pre-styling mist formulated for dry, coarse or brittle hair. Protecting against breakage, heat styling and UV damage, keep your hair in top condition this winter with this nourishing primer. How to use: mist over damp hair, focusing on the ends. Comb throughout and style as desired. Okay, so this is meant to be for wet hair. Let's try. I love the fact that it has a actual sprayer. Yep. Okay, my hair is not dry, but oh, it smells divine. I actually love the smell. It's something coconutty. It's not mentioned here what exactly it contains, so yeah. Anyway, love it. It's something which I don't have in my collection, actual UV protection spray. I might keep it for the summer though, because now in winter my hair is not that dry. And the last product is by Real Chemistry. What is this? Luminous 3 minutes peel, 20 milliliters, worth £19.88, so almost £20. Get party prepped skin by refining the complexion with Real Chemistry Luminous 3 minutes peel, an exfoliating face peel that expertly removes dead skin to reveal a soft and renewed complexion. How to use: spread gel over damp skin, working into complexion for 2-3 minutes. Cleanse, removing the gel with warm water. Oh, so it's a clear gel. I even don't think that you will be able to actually see it. Oh, and it has some beads, or maybe no, I don't think so. There are beads. I think there are some leftovers on my skin from the previous swatches. I cannot believe how nice my hair smells. Oh my god. Incredible. Okay, so those are these 6 items that we've got this month on Lookfantastic Beauty Box. So we have a pair of lashes, an eyeliner, a sleek eyeshadow palette, a hairspray, a peel, and a face cream. I love the content of this box so much. Definitely it is better than the previous month or months, even though I'm not sure if I will keep the sleek makeup palette. This box worth the value for me for this month. The total value of the December beauty box from Lookfantastic is £56.93 British pounds. All the prices are in pounds because if I haven't mentioned before, the box is shipped all the way from UK. So I am really satisfied with the products that we've got in this month, especially because you know me and I love to get more makeup products, and also the skincare that we've got, it's really good. You did it again. Really did it again. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. If you enjoyed this video, you know what you have to do. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more and more videos like this. And please let me know in your comments down below if you are getting Lookfantastic Beauty Box. And if you do so, what do you think about the box? Do you think it's good for the value? Do you think there are other better boxes on the market that I should try? I hope you have a fantastic weekend. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Follow me on my social, that is always linked down below, and also I put it here on the screen. And other than that, be blessed, be beautiful. I'll see you again really soon. Bye bye!